the distance between 2 points, we have the formula, this one, calculating the length of a line segment. So basically, distance between 2 points, the smallest distance between 2 points is called line segment. So we use this formula. D is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This formula will help us to find the distance between 2 points directly from their coordinates. So no need to draw for this formula. Without drawing, you can find out the distance between 2 points. And then second thing, how to find the midpoint of a line segment. We add x1 with x2 and then divide by 2, like the middle value. So I will write both formulas, and we will solve one question. Let's suppose I'm checking one part from this section. uh, let's suppose the last part, L part, and it is here. We have these points 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma minus 3. So now I will solve this question here. And remember that two things we have to find out. The one thing, which is distance between these 2 points. Let's suppose this is A and this is B. We have 2 points. How to find distance between these 2 points? Distance of A, B, I will use this formula, x1 minus x2 whole squared plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So remember that I will consider this one x1, y1 coordinates, okay? And for B, I will supposed to say that this is x2, y2. Fine. So when you apply in the distance formula, we can straight away find the distance between two points without plotting. Means x1 is 3, 3 minus into x2 is minus 3, so minus 3 whole squared plus y1 is 6 minus bracket open because y2 is also minus 3, so whole square. After this, we can simplify a little bit more, like minus minus plus 3 whole squared plus bracket open 6 minus minus plus 3 whole squared, and later on 3 plus 3 gives us 9, 9 whole square, 6 plus 3 9, 9 whole square. So 9 square gives us 81 plus 81, and then we can add
Sir,
81 and 81.
3 plus 3 is 6, not 9.
That's great, but yes, boys. So here 3 plus 3 gives us 6 whole squared plus 6 plus 3 9 whole square, and 6 square gives us 36, 9 square gives us 81, and 36 plus 81, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 7, so 8 plus 3 11, 117. So we can check 117 square, it gives us what? So 36 plus, yeah, 117, correct. And then square root of answer gives me 10.8. This is our required distance between 2 points. Three significant figure. I hope so it is clear. Now we find out how to find the middle value or midpoint of AB. Okay. So midpoint of AB. So this is the formula will work for us. X1 plus X2 over 2, comma Y1 plus Y2 over 2. So we already know that what is X1 and what is X2. So here X1 is 3 plus X2 is minus 3 over 2, comma Y1 is 6 and y2 is plus minus 3 over 2. So one more step, 3 minus 3 because plus minus minus, and 6 minus 3 over 2. So 3 minus 3 is 0 over 2, comma 6 minus 3, 3 over 2. So that gives me 0, comma 1.5. So we find out the midpoint of AB as well as the distance between 2 points AB. So I hope so it is clear. Yes, guys, just before we discuss how to find the distance between 2 points by using the distance formula, which was x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, whole form is in square root form, and then we try to find out mid value or midpoint value. Now, equation of line through 2 points like y is equal to mx plus c. Of course, at the end, our goal is that one. But for that, how to find gradient m and then how to find c, y-intercept. After this, we will replace those values in the general equation of straight line. For example, we have one question from this exercise. We can choose any. Uh, from 1, let's suppose 1 G part, okay? Here I'm doing 1 G part and they want us find an equation of straight line which pass through each of the following pair of points. So my points are 3 comma minus 4 and the second point is 10 comma minus 18. Now we are looking equation of straight line. So for that I will find out first thing what is the gradient, because we know general equation of straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. So for that we are looking m. So when you have 2 points like in ordered pair or in coordinate forms, we use gradient formula. Gradient gradient or we use for gradient m is equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's suppose we consider 3 as x1 and minus 4 as y1, then 10 is x2, y2. So replace here to find out value of m, which is gradient or slope, and y2 we have negative 18. Negative difference of y coordinate divided by difference of x coordinate, that is your gradient, okay? Minus 18 minus into my plus 4, but okay, you can write one more step, no problem. So over x2 is 10 minus 3. Now our required gradient is minus 18 plus 4 over 10 minus 3 is 7. So minus 18 plus 4 gives us minus 14 over 7, and this would be equal to minus 2. It means our gradient is negative. That shows our line goes from left to right down, but no need to draw here the line. Our goal is what is that equation of straight line. So second thing which we are looking, that is c. So our required general form, which was y is equal to mx plus c, now it is y is equal to minus 2x plus c. Now, how to find c? You can choose any point, either first 3 minus 4 or 10 comma minus 18. Both will work. So I'm looking at 3 comma minus 4. What is the value of c? So just replace in place of x3 and in place of y minus 4, so that we come to know what is the value of c here, which is y-intercept. 3 plus c, so minus 4, 3 twos are minus 6 plus c, and if we take 6 other side, it would be plus 6, and c equals 6 minus 4 gives us 2. So once we know value of gradient, value of y-intercept, we can simply replace in the general equation. So our required equation is y is equal to minus 2x plus 2. This is required equation of straight line. Straight line. I hope so it is clear.